How are investors taking Chair Powell's comments today?
Yeah, absolutely. I think yesterday's session was a good glimpse as to how people are viewing the dollar through the prism of what Powell said about the interest rate outlook. So we did see the dollar swing around gains to losses after Powell said interest rates would need to keep rising to ensure inflation is under control. Now, the dollar has risen, though, about 2% since the end of last week. So traders would have been saying, right, it's time to take some profit on that after the recent volatility that we've seen. Overall, investors are turning more bearish on the dollar, though, over the longer term. The peak, as we know, is well and truly behind us. And they're saying that at some point, the Fed will have to cut rates, and that leaves room for currencies like the Australian dollar, the euro, the yen to rally further.
There's so much uncertainty, Ruth, right? What are we seeing when it comes to positioning around the dollar? Are there top trades that are emerging? And I guess my next question would be how much longevity are there in the top trades, if there are some?
Yeah, so it's very much guerrilla warfare in some aspects, isn't it? Taking profit here, putting a short on there. Look, overall on positioning, hedge funds are still overall bearish on the dollar, so they're maintaining short positions. Big money managers like JP Morgan, Citibank, Goldman Sachs are all penciling in more dollar weakness ahead. The big trade for a lot of investors right now, at least, is to short the dollar against the yen. Japan's currency is still looking cheap at around the 130 per dollar level, and everyone from M&G Investments to PineBridge reckon that there's still more gains in the yen ahead.